Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassie, aka NubianRockChick. For those of you who don't know me, I am a married mother of two and I'm an illustrator in the UK. Today's video is just going to be a paint and chill. It's Sunday in the studio, and as I was relaxing, trying to unwind in my studio with some painting, I thought I would get out the camera and have you guys come and paint with me. Sorry I haven't posted any videos in a while. As you guys know, we're all going through the same thing. The children are home full time now, so it's been really difficult to do videos, plus they're really noisy. You probably heard them just now. It's been really difficult to record. We're still trying to get into the swing of things and get used to our new schedule, because now I have to teach the children as well as work. But yeah, I hope everyone is well and you're keeping in good spirits, keeping positive, tuning out things that are negative. I just wanted to do a nice paint and chill videos, relax and listen to chill music, send out some positive vibes. So come and paint and chill with me.
Godlow on the track.